Behind every successful hospital, every life-saving procedure, and every patient cared for with confidence is equipment that healthcare professionals trust. Trust isn't built overnight, it is earned through consistency, quality, and commitment.
Since 1998, ALIS Pro has been helping hospitals, clinics, laboratories, and healthcare institutions source reliable medical equipment and healthcare solutions across India. With decades of experience, ALIS Pro combines product expertise, dependable service, and long-term customer relationships. From hospital furniture and diagnostic devices to surgical and clinical equipment, every solution is selected with one purpose: to support better patient care and efficient healthcare operations. Behind every delivery is a dedicated team working together with one common purpose: supporting healthcare professionals through dependable service. We aspire to strengthen healthcare infrastructure by being a trusted partner for hospitals and institutions across India, while continuously improving the solutions and support we provide.
At ALIS Pro, we understand that excellent products are only one part of the experience. What truly defines us is the service we provide. Our team works closely with every client to understand their requirements, recommend their right solution, coordinate every order efficiently, and ensure timely execution. Every inquiry, every delivery, and every interaction reflects our commitment to the customer satisfaction. And behind every successful treatment is equipment that professionals can rely on. At ALIS Pro, we believe quality isn't just a standard, it's a responsibility. For over 2 decades, we have been committed to delivering reliable medical and healthcare solutions to hospitals, clinics, laboratories, and healthcare institutions across India.